Have you ever wondered how town planners decide on where to build your homes or your local grocery store? Town planners adhere to laws and regulations that set standards to where homes and other buildings can be built, such as zoning regulations, location of utility lines, and building codes. The construction of homes and buildings outside of city limits is known as urbanization. Although urbanization comes with some positive outcomes such as opportunities for economic growth, increased efficiency, and greater employment opportunities, its negative effects on the environment far outweigh the positives, such as higher water and air pollution, increased runoff, waste disposal problems, destruction of wildlife habitat, and fragmentation. More than 261.6 billion people in the United States live in urban areas. That is roughly 9 in 10 people. With a rapidly growing world population and a continuation to urban sprawl, we will continue to use up much of our already depleting natural resources and valuable farmland, leaving us with vast expanses of homes and buildings and little natural areas needed to maintain the human race and biodiversity.